Today guys, we are trying, for my first time, Okoy. Ta-da! I gotta confess, I had no part in making this delicious food. I've never tried it before, but Chie's very kindly made this for me. They have this all over the Philippines. In the Tagalog speaking regions, it's called Ukoy. In the other regions, like for example in the south, Mindanao, they call it Ukoy. Alright guys, first time trying Okoy. Let's try it together as a team.
It's not crunchy now. It's crunchy this earlier.
That's crunchy.
Crunchy?
This is crunchy and delicious. It's really crunchy.
Okay.
Masa wrap. The bean shoots, it's really well together. It gives it a bit more crunch, doesn't it? You've got the crunchiness. We've got our ketchup. Some people have it with spicy vinegar, but don't really like spicy too much, so we'll try it with this.
I like ketchup more than vinegar.
Oh, 10 out of 10.
10? Me too.
Yeah, this is perfect for breakfast, lunch and dinner.
Snack.
Yeah, it's just perfect snack food as well, isn't it? Tell me guys, what's your favourite crispy snack? And how do you make it? Let us know in the comments. Because we'd like to know, we'd like to try all the foods. Because I personally think snack foods are the best. Versatile. You can really taste the crunchiness. And you've got the delicious prawns or shrimps. Some people call them shrimps, some people call them prawns.
Shrimp.
Yeah, you call them shrimp, don't you?
Cheers.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers, Okoy.
Cheers. Cheers to the Ukoy. Delicious. Alright guys, leave us comments. Let me know in the comments what you like, crunchy snacks or any snacks from your region, wherever you're from, and give us a like, give us a subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Alright guys, ingat ka.
Bye.